Once upon a time, a king and queen longed for a child. Their wish was granted when they had a beautiful daughter.
To celebrate her birth, they invited 7 good fairies to bestow gifts upon the princess, who was known to be wicked. The 7 fairies granted the princess the gifts of beauty, grace, and various virtues. The wicked fairy, angered by her exclusion, cursed the princess to die by pricking her finger on a spinning wheel spindle on her 16th birthday. Fortunately, the 8th good fairy had not yet given her gift, and she altered the curse that the princess would fall into a deep sleep for 100 years, until a prince's kiss awakened her. The king and queen tried to prevent the curse by banning spinning wheels in the kingdom. On her 16th birthday, while exploring the castle, the princess discovered an old woman spinning at a spindle. Curious, she approached it and pricked her finger, fulfilling the curse. The princess fell into a deep slumber, and the kingdom fell into a sleep along with her. Years passed, and the overgrown castle became hidden by a dense forest. Eventually, a prince heard of the sleeping princess and her beauty.
He embarked on a quest to rescue her, guided by the good fairy.
He found the castle, fought his way through the thorns and brambles, and finally reached the princess. He kissed her, breaking the curse, and she awoke along with the entire kingdom. The prince and the princess fell in love and were married. They lived happily ever after, and the curse was finally broken. And they all lived happily ever after.